Hello, my name is Putriana Salsabila, and this is my educational reading explanation with the title is Willingness to Speak English Among Foreign Language Learners, a Causal Model by Muhammad Javad Riyasati. Okay, the next slide is introduction. The existence of a positive correlation between self-perceived communication competence and willingness to communicate, and a negative correlation between communication appreciation and willingness to communicate. The present study, therefore, furthers one's understanding of WTC by making an attempt to extend willingness to speak to speaking skill. Such being the case, the study seeks answer to the following question. The first one is, to what extent are Iranian EFL learners willing to speak English in language classroom? The second one is, what is the relationship between Iranian EFL learners' willingness to speak and their language learning anxiety, language learning motivation, and self-perceived speaking ability, and which variable is the best predictor? The third one is, how do males and females differ in terms of their willingness to speak? And the last one is, what is the relationship between Iranian EFL learners' willingness to speak and their speaking ability? Okay, the next slide is method, and investigate the degree of anxiety that learners experience in foreign language classroom. Language learning motivation was measured through a questionnaire. Moreover, following learners were asked to rate their speaking ability on a high, medium, or low scale. The purpose is to find out student perception of their own speaking ability, as it accounts for one objective of the study. Willingness to speak was measured by a questionnaire that sought student perception and degree of willingness to speak English in different situations. In language classroom, and language classroom anxiety was measured by the foreign language classroom anxiety scale. And the next slide is the result. Findings of the studies show that there is a relationship between willingness to speak and language learning anxiety, language learning motivation, and self-perceived speaking ability. It was also shown that more willingness to speak leads to a better speaking ability. Further findings reveal a number of factors influencing willingness to speak English in language classroom. The proposed EFL classroom WTS model represent the factors that are related to or influence willingness to speak English among Iranian EFL learners. As discussed earlier, findings of the study demonstrate a relationship between willingness to speak and language learning anxiety, language learning motivation, and perceived speaking competence ability. Findings also revealed a number of factors that influence willingness to speak. The factors that were identified as having an impact on their willingness to speak are divided into two largest categories: environmental or situational factor and individual factor. The environmental factor include factors that exist in the classroom environment and influence the learner's degree of willingness to speak. These include task type, topic, interlocutor, teacher, classroom atmosphere, and seating arrangement. The individual factors on the other hand, revert to the individual's personal characteristic and include learners' personality, self-confidence, the degree of opportunity they have in language classes, fear of evaluation, and fear of correctness in their speech. It was shown that this factor influenced learners' willingness to speak English in language classroom. And finally, when a higher degree of willingness to speak is observed among language learners, students tend to participate more actively in classroom activities and discussion. A novel element in the study is the attempt that was made to make a link between willingness to speak and speaking performance. Findings show that learners who benefit from a higher degree of willingness to speak achieve better scores on the speaking test, which can be attributed to the greater degree of practice and more language use they had in language classes. Okay, I think that's all that I can tell you about my result. Thank you so much for your attention. Bye bye.